everyone. Today took a day off from the office. It's Friday, and I am on the opposite coast of Panama. We're exploring the islands a little bit. This is a deserted island that is on the Pacific coast. We're usually based on the Atlantic coast, on the Caribbean side. And today I decided to take a day off and explore a bit. There's such a beautiful area. It's a nice little beach. It needs to be cleaned up a bit, but just stuff washes in, and it's a deserted beach, so it's a deserted island, so no one's been maintaining it, but I think that's going to change very soon. And then there's some really pretty little islands off in the distance. So it's a really, really beautiful day. Sunny, warm, beautiful. It's so picturesque. I don't know how the video is going to come through, if you can capture the beauty of a place like this, but it's pretty stunning. So I'm just trying to get a feel for Panama, not just I spend 99% of my time in the factory, in the office, working, and it's important to take a break once in a while. I'm really not myself. I'm not good at balancing work and the rest of my life. So having days off like this is good, but it's also giving me a chance to explore this beautiful country, because we're really building sea pods and land pods and green pods, so we can live and coexist with nature and have a home that can be in the world but not destroying the world. And we can put land pods on this island potentially, or any other island, and it doesn't have to we don't have to cut down all the trees. We don't have to clear cut the forest. We don't have to, there's plenty of spaces here where there's 1.6 meter of ground space where we can put the spar, our steel spar, and then put our sea pod elevated in the air. This thing was, I thought this was a bug crawling in my hair. And so yeah, I'm really looking forward to being able to live on the land or on the water without having to be so disruptive to the environment. And that's what we're doing pretty much every day. We have a lot of research we're doing to try to make a home that is environmentally clean and friendly and doesn't destroy the earth while we're living there, and doesn't throw junk into the environment. So we don't want to throw waste into the environment. We don't want to be using toxic materials and have toxic waste resulting from just from our home, living in our home. So we're trying every day to make it as best as we can. And when you come to places like this, you really get to appreciate why we're doing this. Because places like this that are pretty much untouched, it's nice to be able to keep them pristine and natural and beautiful and not have to destroy them, these kinds of places to live on in these areas. So yeah, that's what we're all about at Ocean Builders, and hope you join us. Well, we found a beautiful spot. There's actually lots of beautiful spots on this island. This is a nice big clearing actually, and we're about probably 10 meters up, and so you have a really nice view of all the islands here.